Police officer.
Huh?
Stop there, police officer.
Oh, don't touch me.
I'll touch you if I want to.
Don't touch me, man.
Stay there.
Don't touch me.
I ain't touching you.
Don't touch
I'm
me.
a police officer, so is he.
Yes, don't touch me.
Police premises. What are you doing with the cars?
You're looking into the cars.
This is a police
No
station.
one's touching you.
Well, he's trying to.
He's detaining you.
I'm detaining
Oh,
you.
I'm detained.
Yeah, okay, so what are you doing here?
What did you detain me for?
Because you're looking into the cars. These are police cars.
So, why did you detain me for?
I'm detaining you to find out who you are. I'm a police officer.
Okay.
Okay, and you're looking into the cars, which I think is suspicious. So what
Can
I'm
I
going
ask
to
you
do...
what you're doing
Are
here?
you actually detaining me?
Yeah, you're detained.
That's who I am.
Okay.
I'm going to search you in a
Are
minute.
you? 1722.
So yeah, that's me, Jason King.
Search me. Hang on. Can I just ask you?
Seen you looking into 3 cars.
You saw me looking.
Saw you looking into 3 cars
Okay.
that are parked on private property. That's suspicious.
The video opens with 2 detectives approaching the auditor in a car park. Rather than beginning with a simple conversation, they immediately escalate the situation into what they call a detention. Their reasoning? They claim he was acting suspiciously and looking into vehicles. But instead of observing or asking even one clarifying question, they move straight to physical control, restraining him before providing any legal justification. This kind of impulsive reaction undermines the very principles of reasonable policing. When someone is recording in a public space, the correct response is communication. Ask questions, understand the context, and then make a decision. Bypassing that process turns suspicion into abuse of authority. And suspicion alone can never justify detaining someone for engaging in a lawful act like filming in public.
Grounds to detain and search
You see
you.
that woman over there?
Sorry?
You see that woman over there?
Well, I can see a reflection of a woman over
She
there.
just looked in that car as well.
Yeah, but she wasn't encroaching on private property,
She
and
was.
she wasn't doing it in the manner that you were doing it, which was highly suspicious. Looking through the shadow.
Can I just
of
speak to the
car.
detaining officer?
You
Can you just tell me which power you're using to detain me?
Detaining you under Section 1 of PACE, Police and Criminal Evidence Act.
Right. Can I ask you the reasonable ground for me being detained right now?
Well, I've gone through that already, which is the fact that you're on private property.
'Cause I was looking.
And you were looking right up against the glass on 3 different cars. That in itself provides.
So that gives you ground to detain me like this?
Yeah, and
really?
to stop
That gives you grounds to infringe on my freedoms right now?
Yes, it does. Yeah.
For looking into a car?
Yeah, in the manner that you were doing, which is highly suspicious.
Oh, it's the manner that I was doing it. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
right.
appreciate, because I know you can look into cars from a distance.
Oh, so yeah, if you know that, why am I...
One of the officers then tries to justify the detention by claiming the auditor was looking into cars. Yet, almost immediately, he undermines his own argument by admitting, "I know you can look into cars from a distance." That single statement completely collapses his reasoning. If the officer acknowledges that looking into vehicles, whether from afar or up close, isn't illegal, then the detention has no legal foundation under Section 1 of PACE. The manner in which someone looks at something cannot by itself justify a stop and search. The law requires specific observable behavior that provides reasonable grounds to suspect a person of possessing stolen or prohibited items. Simply appearing curious or glancing at cars doesn't meet that threshold, and in this case, the officer essentially concedes that very point himself.
Twice. You can either listen or you don't need to listen. I'll explain to you.
I don't think you can just detain people whenever you feel like it.
No, we don't do it on the basis.
You can, whenever you feel like it.
Not when we feel like it, when there are reasonable grounds
Just
to
going to
do
get some
so.
uniform police.
And the reasonable grounds are...
Which I've gone through already.
Okay, I'm going to get some
I
uniform
know you don't
police
agree with me, but you
officers.
don't have to agree
You
with
need a
me.
reassurance.
I thought you are a police officer.
Yeah, I am a police officer. But I'm
So?
just going to get some uniform police officers here to reassure you.
Are you an auditor?
I don't know. I'm what I know is I'm detained. That's what I know.
Okay.
I don't understand why you detained me. Still, I don't, because watch! He looked into a car. Look.
Okay.
I swear, he just looked. Excuse me, you can't look into cars. I saw you looking into a car. Come here. We need to detain you. Come.
This moment highlights the problem of selective policing. People look into parked cars every day. It's normal, harmless behavior. The only difference in this case was that the auditor was holding a camera. The officers didn't question anyone else passing by, likely because they knew there was no legal reason to do so. That selective use of authority exposes just how weak their justification really was. By challenging them on the spot, the auditor didn't just argue, he revealed a deeper truth. He wasn't detained because of what he did, but because of who he was and the discomfort his filming caused. That's not policing based on law. It's policing driven by personal bias and unease.
Hey, we're going to get some police on.
I think you should run after him.
Yeah,
seriously. Let's start running. He stays with me. You get running.
What's your name, sir?
I don't need to give you my name.
Well, I'd like to know who I'm dealing with.
I'd like to know why I'm being detained.
You've been detained under Section 1 of the police...
So looking into a car.
Yes, because we think you're acting suspiciously.
You think I'm acting suspicious, right?
Yeah.
You think I'm acting suspicious, okay.
You may have been looking into motor vehicles for the purpose...
That doesn't give you enough ground to detain me.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
Because you are detained.
I know I'm detained. This is why you don't see me moving. You know when you stopped here, I was walking, yeah? I was about to leave.
Thank you for...
The moment you said detained, it's like I haven't moved, have I?
Right, PC Jones, are you going to earn your colours today?
Yes.
Right,
And what?
earn your colours, it's just a phrase, don't worry about it.
Probably.
At one point, a detective casually remarks that the search is being used as some kind of test for a junior officer. That comment isn't just unprofessional, it's deeply concerning. Stop and search powers are serious legal authorities, not training drills or performance exercises. Treating them like a game undermines the very principles of fairness, dignity, and accountability that policing is meant to uphold. Instead of focusing on whether the search is lawful, necessary, or proportionate, the focus shifts to impressing colleagues and earning approval. This mentality sends a dangerous message to younger officers that obedience matters more than understanding the law. It turns peer pressure into practice, eroding the integrity of the system and further damaging public trust in law enforcement.
Fellow gentlemen, pass me your hands. You're being detained under Section 1 of PACE. Okay, I'm PC Jones from Hemel Police Station. Okay.
Why?
I'm explaining why. So you've been spotted. Mate, do you mind just putting the camera down for a minute? Yeah. Mind just putting your phone down for a minute? I'll put it down over here.
Whoa, you guys are jokers, man. Bloody hell.
Sir, can I just ask?
Why are you so aggressive with me? Back off. Back off. Back off.
Okay.
Back off. You jokers,
I
man.
take it so you're not willing to provide
Shut up,
your
Tate.
details for the search form. Would you like a record of it?
I want a record here now.
Okay. Can we have your details then?
No, I just want a record.
Okay.
Still need your details to be able to...
I want a record. Just don't talk to me, man. You put me under a lot of stress. Just give me a record.
But I need your name, don't I?
I need you to give me a record. You don't need nothing.
I need your details.
I need you to do me a record. Listen to what I'm saying. I need you to do me a record.
I'll give you your details. I'll give you that record.
That's it.
Okay, but I still need your details in order to...
No, you will do me the record.
Case Code A makes it absolutely clear that a record of every search must be provided. No exceptions, regardless of whether the person gives their name or address. This record must include the officer's name, the legal grounds for the search, the power being used, and the outcome. These details exist to ensure transparency, protect individual rights, and maintain accountability. So when an officer suggests that identification is required before giving that record, it shows either a serious misunderstanding of the law or a deliberate attempt to distort it. In both cases, it completely undermines the very safeguards meant to prevent misuse of authority. Refusing to issue the record isn't just a minor mistake. It's a direct breach of established police procedure.
Need your details.
No, you will do me the record.
Search record with a few details, that's fine.
That's fine.
Okay, good boy.
I'll do it.
Do what the inspector says.
Okay. But...
Do the record.
No worries, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a lovely day.
Excuse me, my record.
Your record, sir. We need your details to give you that record. We can't print
I'm entitled to a record.
You are?
I'll talk to me.
I'm happy talking. I'm happy talking here. I need the record from him.
The record will be put on.
Yeah.
My colleague's going to be putting that on. You can collect it from home at the police station in up to 3 weeks, but he has to complete it first.
Well, can I have it now? He's got the form.
He's got to finish it.
No, usually you do them online if you don't have the form on you. He has the form. He can do it.
I know the form on there.
I saw the form. You were ready to take my details.
It's my personal address.
So I need something. I need the reference number, anything. I need something to the record.
I still need to complete it.
So you're searching me but without giving me the record, which is I'm entitled to.
To complete a record, and I've told you a way you can obtain that record as well. So I'm going to put it on, and you can come to...
So I saw you walking off.
Because you've refused the details.
I don't need to give you details. Are you an idiot or something? I can shout what I like.
Okay.
I can shout what I like.
Okay, no worries.
If you continue shouting though, it comes under some sort of public order.
What's that?
Warning. It's a public.
Why is that?
Section 5 public order. If you're calling some.
Because I'm shouting.
Yeah, if you do. I'm saying if you.
Why?
If it escalates.
If it escalates?
Yeah.
Does it look like, are you going to escalate it, are you?
Am I?
So you search me, you put me in cuffs, look at my hands, and you think, well, I'm going to talk to you like, oh, hi, how are you? Do you think that's how I'm going to talk?
Okay, well look, if you're going.
Are you stupid or what?
Don't talk to me like that.
I can talk to you whichever I want. You put me in cuffs. I've asked you many times to not put me in cuffs. So I can call you an idiot. I can call you anything I like, pretty much.
Pretty much?
Pretty much.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you name anything that you want me to call that I can call you with.
Me if you use any sort of
What?
language.
What are you going to do? No, there's no. What public is that? Do we see a public here? A minute ago you said we're a private place. Domain now, is it? A minute ago I was in private.
The auditor, clearly frustrated, reminds the officer that he's just been handcuffed and searched without solid grounds, and now he's being told to be polite. Respect isn't automatic. It's something that must be earned. When someone's rights are ignored, a firm tone or visible irritation isn't disrespect. It's a natural, justified response. Instead of acknowledging the problem, the officer tries to redirect the issue, focusing on the auditor's attitude rather than the lack of legal justification. That's a classic manipulation tactic: provoke a reaction, then use that reaction as further justification for control. It's not professional policing. It's provocation dressed up as authority.
An idiot. Off you go.
Get your record, alright?
No, what?
You can come to Hemel, get your record when I put it.
Where?
To Hemel, come to the police station. I've covered
Is that here?
3 times. Yes, it is. That's where you are.
So can I come in now?
No, you can't come in now because I haven't put it on yet. So I've explained to you.
So how long is it going to take? You so quickly to put cuffs on me, but now you're not willing to give me my search record.
I'm going to do it as quick as I possibly can.
Okay, so I'm here.
Okay.
I'm happy to wait.
Okay, no worries. We can
Yeah.
quickly be asking me details and be able to...
Once I finish looking into every single car.
So the officer's just gone in to get your paper search records. If you're happy to wait another couple of minutes,
She's gone in. So why did you say to me that they're not going to do it?
probably
Then?
didn't know that.
He's an idiot. Why would you allow him to search me, man, from the first place? He clearly looks like an idiot. Look at the state of this guy.
Could we just sort of like...
No, because you infringe on my rights.
The change in tone after the search is almost surreal. Just moments ago, the detectives treated the auditor like a potential threat. Now that nothing has been found, they're suddenly relaxed, smiling, laughing, and chatting as if the entire incident was harmless banter. But a stop and search isn't a joke. It's a serious exercise of power that demands clear justification, professionalism, and restraint. Acting casual afterward doesn't just look bad, it undermines the entire legitimacy of the stop. That shift from aggression to amusement projects arrogance and disrespect, qualities that have no place in genuine, accountable policing.
Understand where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
I was stopped.
Yeah.
I was put in handcuffs.
Yes.
At the front, then at the back. I cannot be calm. I cannot be happy, friendly, chappy now. Do you understand that? Do you understand why I'm frustrated? Do you understand when you infringe on somebody's right, that person can get really, really angry? Do you understand? You can't just go along infringing on people's right and expect people to love you. What the hell? Why are you going to arrest me now for saying that? For saying people to love you? Are you going to arrest me? Public order offense. What do you mean I want to? No. You put me in cuffs. You have put me in cuffs.
I'm not going to stand in with you.
Well, do one then. Get lost.
I'll do what I want.
No, just get lost. You don't do what you want. You're on the clock. You're on the clock right now. What do you mean you do what you want? Are you on the clock, yes or no? Are you working?
Right. Okay, shall we go away?
Are you on the public's money's wages right now? So you don't do what you want. You do as your superior tells you. Get lost.
Are you okay?
You do as your superior tells you. Get lost. Do you understand? So move. Start moving. Come on. Get lost.
We'll go in a second.
Get lost. You will go. Trust me. Before me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you not have a job to go to?
This is my job.
Comes the predictable insult. Don't you have a job to go to? It's a tired, condescending line meant to belittle rather than address the issue. But lawful auditing serves a real and necessary purpose, ensuring accountability in public spaces. Whether someone works a 9-to-5 is completely irrelevant. What matters is whether those enforcing the law are doing so fairly and within their authority. Personal jabs don't de-escalate a situation. They expose insecurity and a lack of professionalism. When officers resort to mockery, it's a clear sign they've lost focus on their actual duty. to uphold the law with fairness, integrity, and respect.
I've got a paper record for you now.
Great. That's all I wanted to.
Let's get that
That's
done.
all I wanted.
Thank you.
Yes.
Right.
But because that's the paper record I'm going to use to make the claim against all of you.
Okay.
Yes.
We look forward to that.
You'll be looking forward to that. You don't really care, do you? Because it doesn't come out of your wages. I know you don't really care. You've been laughing all the way through. You can't just go along and infringe on people's rights. And at one point, you knew I was an auditor. He said it. And you knew that. You were laughing all the time. But guess what? You went ahead with it. You put me in cuffs. This guy just comes along and he doesn't care. He just does it anyway.
Okay, so we don't have hard copies. They're only available at Watford Police Station. We don't have those. My colleague's going to fill out an online form. However, this is the reference number. This is mine, my colleague's, and this colleague's warrant numbers if you need them.
So this is you. This is who?
The officer that's just
What's his name? What can you spell
PC Gunn. G-U-N-N.
Louise Jones, this
Louis
guy.
Jones.
And these two?
Yeah, if you would
I
like
think
those.
I've got them anyway, but I still have them. Do you want to know why I was looking in cars now?
Well, I asked
Or-
you back.
Yeah.
Oh, really? You do?
Yeah, why not?
All right. Okay, sometimes when you walk past police stations, what police officers tend to do, they leave like documents on display. And I'm here to catch it to see if they're breaking GDPR, basically. Yeah. So if I tell you, then you kind of might tell everybody, then you kind of ruin,
you know what?
ruin the whole thing. All right.
I
So I
understand.
could have, no.
I understand.
Inspector, I could have a million reasons why I was looking into cars. But you can't just go ahead and do this to me.
Looking into vehicles, even near sensitive locations, is a legitimate form of public scrutiny. Auditors have previously uncovered situations where private data or official documents were left exposed, and highlighting those issues serves the public interest. The auditor makes a valid point. He could have countless reasons for observing or filming, but none of them justify an unlawful detention. Intent never replaces due process. Personal opinions or discomfort do not grant officers the power to bypass legal requirements. Even if they dislike the act of filming, they are still bound by law to meet the proper threshold before taking action.
I understand, you know.
No, absolutely not. I can look into
I
cars.
understand now. Thank you for taking the time to explain.
That's too late now. I didn't have to explain to you,
No, great.
but it's too late. You did this. Do you know what you just did today? Do you know what you just did? You infringed on my human rights.
There's your reference number. If you'd like anything else, you can call up and report.
So which station I can go to get it?
No, so the online copy, we don't have hard copies.
Oh,
We
you
don't
don't?
them and give them out anymore. If you would like a hard copy sent straight
Yeah.
to you, my colleague needs your phone number or email address, and we'd be more than happy to send you one.
I can give him my email address, yeah.
We're more than happy to give you an email.
Yeah. That's not the correct flag of...
Attention also turns to the modified Union Jack, the version with a blue stripe often worn or displayed by officers. This isn't an official emblem. It's an alteration that carries heavy symbolism. Critics argue that it reflects an us versus them mindset, suggesting loyalty to the badge over accountability to the public. In many cases, it's been used as a quiet statement of resistance to calls for reform, transparency, or justice. When that flag appears on uniforms or police property, it sends a message, one that risks deepening the divide between law enforcement and the communities they serve. Symbols matter, especially when worn by those in power. And this one forces a difficult question. Does it represent unity or separation from the very public they're sworn to protect?
You don't even have to spell Britain, so obviously you're not going to know the flag.
Again, sir, if you'd like a hard copy.
Oh, that's not the correct flag of Britain as well.
Again, sir, if you'd like a hard copy, you can pick them up from Hatfield, Stevenage, or Watford, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank
I thought he was
you.
going to send it to me, no?
Yeah, online. We have to go and fill out the form. He's not got the online document in his hand.
But I can go to these stations and collect one.
Yeah, after he's filled it out, okay?
Okay then.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
Yeah, you too, Tate.
Thanks for your time anyway.
Nah, that's not good, man.
Yeah.
I didn't give you my time. My time is not free. So you cannot thank me for it. I will charge you for that.
Encounter concludes with the auditor finally being given a reference number and the officers' names. But what remains long after is the deeper issue exposed. How quickly suspicion can override lawful procedure. From the very start, the detectives approached with confrontation, choosing detention before conversation. Their initial justification, looking into cars, collapsed under their own admission that such an act is perfectly legal. What followed resembled a training drill more than a legitimate stop, even punctuated with the offhand remark, "Earn your colors today." Throughout, the auditor remained composed, calmly exposing contradictions, bias, and the uneven standards at play. His reasoning, checking for possible GDPR breaches, highlighted a valid public concern, yet the officers responded with mockery, personal jabs, and misplaced authority. In the end, this wasn't simply a botched stop and search. It was a revealing snapshot of how fragile professionalism can become when power goes unchecked.